Alright, let's talk about something in every workshop, cutting tools. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or just getting creative at home, these tools are the backbone of shaping, building, and fixing things. Let's start with the hacksaw. Picture a metal frame with a thin, sharp blade. That's a hacksaw. I use this when I need to slice through metal pipes, plastic, or sometimes even wood. Plumbers, welders, and electricians practically live with these things in their toolboxes. Next up, the handsaw. If you've ever tried to cut a piece of wood, this is your go-to. Handsaws come in all sorts of types. Cross-cut saws for sawing across the grain, rip saws for cutting along the grain, and coping saws for detailed curves. You'll find them in workshops, and honestly, nothing beats the satisfying sound of a handsaw cutting through timber. Now chisels. Think of a chisel as a precision instrument with a sharp edge at one end. I use wood chisels for sculpting and shaping wood, and cold chisels for cutting through metal. There's something cool about controlling a chisel. Just tap it with a mallet, and you can create joints or even intricate designs. Woodwork, metalwork, masonry, chisels are everywhere. Planes are next on my list. Planes shave off thin layers from wood, making it smoother and flatter. If you want a perfect finish, you'll need one. There are bench planes, block planes, and even specialty planes for tricky jobs. It's almost like giving your project a fresh haircut. Let's move to snips. These are essential in metalwork. Tin snips and aviation snips are the MVPs for cutting sheets of metal or wire mesh. If you're ever in a metal shop, snips are never far away. Scrappers do exactly what their name says. They scrape off material or residue, especially in metal workshops and on construction sites. Perfect for cleaning up surfaces before the real work begins. Knives, probably the most familiar tool. From kitchens to workshops, knives are everywhere. There are fixed blade knives, folding knives, and even sliding utility knives for all sorts of tasks. Cutting, mincing, peeling, you name it. Electricians are big fans of strippers. Not that kind, I mean wire strippers. They're designed to remove the plastic coating off wires without damaging the metal inside. Super handy when you're wiring up a project. And last but not least, cutters. I use wire cutters, pipe cutters, sheet metal cutters, even paper and glass cutters for different materials. There's a cutter for almost every job. So, remember, every cutting tool has its purpose. Use them right, stay safe, and you'll shape the world one cut at a time.